Let's proceed. Number what now? F. Okay, so number 6, F, is called hydroxylation. Hydroxylation, also called glycol formation. It's called glycol formation. Okay, take down please. Let me see if you can try to form the equation of the reaction. Take down. It involves the reaction of an alkene with permanganate. It involves the reaction of alkene with permanganate. You know what permanganate is, Nabi? Yes. If you don't know, you didn't do chemistry practical. It's your practical manual, Abi? Yes, it's there. It's there. All right. It involves the reaction of an alkene with permanganate. By the way, permanganate is what there? KMnO4. Under the influence of performic acid. Under the influence of performic acid, this way, this is called performic acid. Under the influence of performic acid, to form a diol. Under the influence of performic acid, that's this, to form a diol. When I say under the influence, what does it mean? Catalyst. So see if you can get out equation of this reaction. Form the general equation of the reaction. To form a diol. See if you can form the general equation of the reaction, please. Are we done? Tell me what you have there, please. What do you have there? What do you have? Alkene. Give me structure. What do you have? C double bond what there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Abi? Combine with what there? KMnO4. Permanganate. Under the influence of what? That becomes what there? HCO2OH. To give you what there? What will that all be? C here, OH here, OH. This. So if you do this, you're correct. That's it. No, stop here. So do me this. Try this. Take propanol or take propene. Fine. Use propene. Draw out a balance or draw the equation. Use propene. See if you can listen there. Use propene. Draw out a reaction for this. Using propene, please. All right. So look up. So I've said propane or prop 1 in. There's no 2 in. So propene is always prop 1 in. They're the same thing because there's no prop 2 in. I've explained that before. So for prop 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. Put double bond. Let's say here. So balance it up. I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's this. Combine this man with potassium permanganate. Okay, under the influence of performic acid to give you a diol. Don't forget, we said the 2OH will come under what there? The carbon bearing what there? The double bond. So 1, 2, 3. I'm having 1, 2, 3. These two. This one here, OH. This one here, OH. Balance up. Single bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please name this compound. What have you got? 1, 2, propanediol or propan 1,2-diol. That's the name. Pro, 3 carbon. So my number will now be 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, that's your prop. It's going to be a propanol. But there are 2 or. So because of that, a diol. So I'm having 1, 2 propanediol or propan 1, 2-diol. This is the end of addition reaction. We have 2 more types still under alkene. We have substitution. We have another one again. All right. We are still under reactions of alkenes. Number 2 is substitution reaction. Take that, please. Number 2, substitution reaction. Number 1, under this you have halogenation. Under this you have halogenation. Is also called allylic substitution. It's called allylic substitution. Take down these notes. Unlike the addition type, okay, hold on. Unlike the addition reaction type of halogenation, unlike the addition reaction type of halogenation, comma, this one involves the use of heat, HEAT. This one involves, please, the use of heat, resulting in the displacement of one hydrogen atom. This one involves the use of heat, resulting in the displacement of one hydrogen atom by an atom of the halogen. So let me give you a hint. Please. So can you look at that stuff and try to figure out what the general equation will look like? Look at the general, please. Look at that stuff. Try to figure out what the general equation will look like, please. You have 2 minutes, please. For time's sake, please. Alkene, this 1, 2, this 1, 2, 3, 4. Alkene plus what there? Halogen, X2, diatomic. Under what's there? Heat. Not just heat, but also low concentration of the thing there. So plus low concentration, give you what there. Now listen, you now have this 1, 2, X, and then this. Now listen. Before your test, I will show you another dimension of organic chemistry. I can't show everything at once. I'll take it in bits so you get it. But listen, in general, there are 3 types of reactions that organic compounds undergo. The first one is addition. The second one is substitution. The third one is elimination. The difference between addition and substitution is this. If there's an addition, a triple bond breaks to a double bond. For an addition, a double bond breaks to what there? A single bond. That's addition. For a substitution, the word there says substitute. If I have 11 players on a field and I substitute, how many players will still be on the field there? Still 11, no matter how many changes there. So the idea is this: if I'm having a double bond and it is undergoing substitution, it will not break down to an alkane. It will still be what there? An alkene. So that's the difference between the addition and substitution. For addition halogenation, go and check. This man broke down to what there? An alkene. Go and check. Why for substitution? It doesn't break down. Difference is that the hydrogen here will be displaced by what there? One of these. And of course, plus HX plus HX. That will be your last thing there. That's how it looks like. Take 18. Take 18. Take X as bromine. Get out a complete equation, please. Take 18. Take X as bromine. Get out a reaction. That should be simple now, right? Yes. Yep. That's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 18 plus Br2. So X is now Br. So Br2 under heat and of course low concentration to give you 1, 2. Observe that one of these will now be displaced by what there? Br. Observe this. I now have H, H, H. One of the H will pick up one of Br plus H, Br. So I have this. This is what happens, please. Alright? Just displacement of this. I have this. 18 bromine. What do you call this, please? Huh? What do you call this? Someone telling me 2 bromo. Please be careful. It can't be 2 bromo. Don't go and say, listen. People make this confusion. You don't go and say, okay, this one has double bond, so 1, 2. No. Actually, before you start numbering, check both sides. If I count from both sides, I have 1 carbon before double bond, 1 carbon before double bond. In the case where you have the same number on both sides, the double bond is no longer what there. The priority. Shift your focus to what there? Substituent. If I shift my focus, it becomes this one here. So this is 1, this is 2. So it becomes what there? 2, 1 bromo at there's no at 2 in, all right? So 1 bromo at 10. That's it. Huh? Or bromo at 10, yes. Because there can be no 2 bromo, abi? There can be no, so you can say better still, yeah. Bromo at 10, because there can be no 2 bromo at 10. And then hydrogen bromide. That's it. That's your equation. Yes. The third type of reaction is called cleavage reaction. Cleavage reaction. Under cleavage reaction, look at what's called ozonolysis. Please, another important one, please. Give an asterisk there. Another important one, please. Ozonolysis. Yeah, that one is another concept. Not under this one. What is ozonolysis? Take down. This involves the addition of ozone. This involves the addition of ozone to an alkene. This involves the addition of ozone to an alkene resulting in the formation of an ozonide. Resulting in the formation of an ozonide. Ozonide. O-Z-O-N-I-D-E. Ozonide. Which on further reaction which on further reaction with zinc dust and water, which on further reaction with zinc dust and water results in the production of an aldehyde on the board, an aldehyde and ketone. This ozone combines with an alkene to give you an ozonide, which reacts with water and zinc dust to give you what there? An aldehyde and a ketone. Equation of reaction, please. Equation of reaction, please. Don't worry, you won't get that one. Don't worry, just look up. Let me help you. Don't stress. You won't get that one. Look up. Let me help you. For ozone, what's your chemical formula for ozone? O3. When did you know it was O3? When did you know? I knew that ozone was O3 in my GSS2. GSS2. Not senior secondary, junior secondary. And it was a weird way of, I knew it in a very weird way. A very, very weird way. Right? So here's how it happened that I think that was the test. We were taught about this, what's it called? Ozone layer depletion. So he taught us ozone, but I didn't take note of it. But I remember that he gave us OZ, something like that, in the note. So he gave us a test. In the test, he now gave us, write the formula for ozone. I remember it was OZ. So I just wrote that, wrote OZ. as you'd expect, they give us the answer sheet later, and I saw it wrong there. Right? And I was like, why is OZ? I think it's OZ. So OZ was wrong. So what did I do? I was like, okay, no problem. I would revise it before exam. Somehow, I landed in the exam hall, and when I was entering, my mom was like, Ingo said that same question, no? Go read down. I had the mind to study, but I don't know how. I didn't just study it. I entered the exam hall. He now said the same thing again. And you know, what's painful is that you fail a question in test. You say you will learn it. You now sit again, and you're still going to fail it again. Right? It's not like I didn't, like, I said I would learn it, but I just don't know. It just kept my mind. So what did I do? I was like, okay. So in test, I wrote OZ, and he marked me wrong. What do I do now? I said, so I did this. I said, okay, O. So I don't went back to alphabet. I said capital letter A, small letter A, capital Z, small letter Z. I'm telling you. So I said, since I use capital letter, let me now use small letter. So it's a right symbol. I wrote O. In my mind, I wrote Z. I just did this. And I submitted. They now submitted, hold on. They now gave us script, right? And you know, I was pained. Once I was pained that I'm seeing that I was pained that I was going to fill the question again. But it's like, let me just write something, right? So give us the sheets there to come and like you're collecting sheets, answer sheet that day. And I looked at the question, it was not correct. I was like, I told something. So I took the paper there. I went to my teacher and I was like, sir, look at this thing now. I thought in test, you marked me wrong. But that is correct. The man now say, come. What do you write? Is this not O3 is correct? Oh, what? O3. Okay, yes, it is correct. It's correct. That's how, I'm telling you. That's how I left that place. Since that day, that was just two, I think second term also. I never forgot it. So I was writing Z, was thinking 3. So since that day, crazy thing like this. If there's one lesson I picked up from that experience, is to always write something in exam, even if you're not sure. Instead of leave it blank, write nonsense and leave it. Especially if your nonsense has a very good handwriting. Don't give +1, +2 there. It's something. That's why I'm not a fan of writing something empty sheet. See, you don't know the question, no problem. Write something. You're not sure of it, no problem. write something and submit. Now submit. All right, this man plus O3 ozone to give you ozonide. Ozonide is, please look at something below. See how ozonide looks like. Ozonide is this. C this O. This stuff came out last year too. Please take note. This will now say combine. Okay, you know what? For reference sake, let me take this man higher. Let me take it up, please. Let me take it up so I'll have space downwards. This one will block all the space here. So please, sorry, excuse me. All right, so you have this, please. This is your aldehyde. This is aldehyde. This is your oxonide. Ketone. That's your ketone. This one here is your ozonide. Now listen, let me show you how this works. Look up, please. Let me show you how ozonolysis works, please. Look up, please. So listen, don't forget the reaction is this: alkene, ozone, ozonide, zinc and water, zinc dust and water, aldehyde and ketone. That's your series. Listen, this is how your oxonide is formed. Listen. For the oxonide, first of all, take up this form. If I take up this form, I have something like this. I'm having it like this. Look at this. I'm having this one first. I'm having to give you. Look up, please. I'm having C. This one here. This one here. These two mixing up here. Now listen. This is how the ozonide is formed. When you have your double bond, it will break off into two. When you have your double bond, it will break off into two. That two now, the left side, like this, will take this part here. The right side will take the other part there. In other words, if this breaks, CH2, this CH2 will appear here to become CH2. That's how it's done. That one is balanced. This is having C 1, 2, 3, 4. It will automatically balance. The part on the left side to hijack it, bring it here. The C you see here is this connecting one here. So C is this connecting one. This one connects one there. H. So it becomes 1, 2, 3. The first one becomes this alkyl group. CH3, CH2. In other words, for your ozonide, the simplest explanation is this. Hijack this one, bring it here. From double bond, hijack this one, bring it here. It's called an ozonide. That's all. Huh? It's an alkene now. It cannot be single bond. This is ozonide. So that's how it's done. When you have double bond, break it into two. That's it. I'm coming. I'm coming. Into what's there? H2O and Zn to give you, listen up, look at you, listen up, listen up, listen up, listen up, listen up. Listen up, oh. This same thing will still come to play again. C, I'm having C connected to O. Now listen, this C has one hydrogen. This H takes one part up. I'm having H up. The other alkyl group gets fixed here. So it becomes CH3, CH2. Please see the same thing. CH3, CH2 fixed here. This H goes up. Then this one here, O2, this one here. Plus, what would this one be? O like this into C. Abi? How many H there? So I'm having these two. You know how it should look like? One here, one here. That's it. This compound is called a methanol. I will tell you why it's called methanol when we look at the aldehyde and the ketone. This one here is called a propanol. There is propanol, there's propanone, there's methanol. Look at these ones much more later. But I'll tell you why it's called this one. So that's the name of this. That's what it's called. All right, so this is all about the alkenes. That's all about the alkenes, please.
Alright guys, don't forget that you can get the complete organic chemistry course on my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses and then you see the organic chemistry full course. Alright, it gives you access to my detailed lecture on all the homologous series from alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, alcohols, ether, esters, including their nomenclature, their preparation, and all the reactions they undergo. Alright, or you can simply join my organic chemistry channel membership to get access to these video lessons. Alright.